Hi, today we'll be exploring MarketView's symbol tree. To access the symbol tree, you open up a feature and select Edit. This is what we call our symbol tree. It's in alphabetical order by vendor or exchange. Everything that you have access to will be found right here inside of this tree. But if you're ever wondering what all we have that maybe you don't have access to, you can click Show Items I'm Not Permission For, and everything we have will flood this tree. We even let you drill down to the symbol. If you know what symbol you're looking for, but you just don't know where it's found, you can come up to our search box, type in what it is you see. Crude, you see WTI is the first thing that pops up. Now, if you want to filter between these folders, you can use our filters down below, and we can choose symbol types, future. Then we choose our data provider. We can use our search to pull in the NYMEX. Okay. And then we can drill down through there. We'll drill down through these folders to find our symbol. Once we find it, we can double click to bring it in. Or if you want to bring in multiple symbols, you can shift down arrow, press enter, and they'll appear in the queue. Once you've done that, you can select OK, and you're good to go. That's our symbol tree. Thanks for tuning in.